Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video and we are going to be doing my hair. So if you want to see how I got my hair nice and straight like this and just want to know, stay tuned. But first I'm going to update you on my Sleep and Glow pillow. I have been sleeping on this bad boy for 2 weeks and I really like it. I can't tell you whether or not it keeps you from getting wrinkles. I believe it does. I believe it's working on me. But since I've only had it for 2 weeks, you know, it's like I can't do that. But I do have these lash extensions on, and I'm telling you, they've been on for 2 weeks, and I can't believe it because they're not that good at lash extensions. And with this pillow, they're not getting messed up at all. At all. And I also love this pillow. One thing about this pillow that I think is true as far as preventing wrinkles is it does encourage you to sleep on your back. I've noticed because I'm a side sleeper and I toss and turn all night long, back and forth, one side to the other. But now I sleep on my back too because it's like when I'm sleeping on my side, I can feel that it's encouraging me to roll to my back. It's like, it's not forcing me, it doesn't hurt or anything, you know, it's like, but I can tell, and so I do lay on my back for a while. I can't lay on my back for too long because the cats like to sleep on top of me when I lay on my back. But anyway, that's beside the point. That has nothing to do with my pillow, but I've tried to sleep on my back, and I had a memory foam pillow before this, but my eyelashes always got messed up, so I am giving it a total thumbs up for the eyelash thing. And I believe it's going to work for my wrinkles too, just because it encourages you to sleep on your back. Anyways, that's my take on the Sleep and Glow pillow. Now, one thing I have to say is it's incredibly expensive. And their thing is that you're saving money on plastic surgery. If you use the pillow, you won't need it. I don't know if I believe that. Well, I'll have to have it for a lot more than 2 weeks to actually say that. You can wash the pillowcase, but the pillow, you just wipe it with a cloth because water is really bad for memory foam. I can't remember what it's called. Anyways, I love it, and I'm giving it a thumbs up. I think it's a wonderful pillow, and I think it's going to do wonderful things for my face. And it definitely protects my extensions, lash extensions. They also gave me, I will link the pillow below. Did I say that it costs $159? So I'm not recommending that you run out and buy it. But if you have the money, and I think it will work, it's a great pillow too, you know, but it's expensive. I think it's expensive. So anyway, if you want to see how I do my hair, oh, I was going to tell you, they gave me a code, a coupon code, and I will link the link for the pillow and the coupon code below. So, with that said, let's move on to the rest of the video where I am going to straighten this hair and you get to see how I did it. So, let's go there. Okay guys, let's get started with the hair products first. This is what I use this is what I shampoo my hair with. I use the BEVERLY Color Last and the BEVERLY Hydra Source conditioner. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. That's what I've been using for quite a while. And then I also use this purple Matrix Total Results Brass Off. I use this like maybe once a week because I don't like my hair to look too purple, so I only use it once a week because my hair sucks it up real fast. And then after I wash my hair, after I get out of the shower, before I brush it out, I put in this. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. I love this stuff. And I put in just a tiny bit of the Chi Silk Infusion. Those are both to help with the heat protectant. Even though most of the time I don't put any heat on my hair, I always use those. So let's get started with I think today we're just going to straighten my hair because I feel like having some straight hair. So I'm just going to take this out and brush it out. because I don't brush it out very often. And I always use this wet brush. When I first got this, when I first saw this, I thought, that will never work for me. It's going to get so tangled because it has this thing that just goes back and forth. See, it's just like one thing. And I thought, it's going to, and it did get tangled a couple times when I first started, but it was just a learning curve. Now it's great. And this is how I always brush my hair because I don't want to break it off any more than I have to. So I go real slow, start at the bottom, and I pull it apart. I pull it apart like this with my hand as I do it to make for a thin layer. I still lose hair because I don't brush my hair, especially when I let it air dry. Then I don't brush it again until I wash it again. And I only wash my hair like every 5 days or so, 4 or 5. But it's kind of fuzzy from the last time I washed it. I didn't do anything with it. I think I pulled it up in a bun, maybe. I can't really remember. Because that was 2 days ago. That's how long it's been. I have to wash it one day and let it air dry completely. So then I can't do it till the next day. And that was yesterday. And I just didn't get around to it. So see, I do lose some hair. But not much. All right, now, when I straighten my hair, I do the bottom first. So I pull this part up in a clip. And then I split this in half and pull it around front. And then I just grab some. I grab a piece like this. And then I just pull it down. Nice and slow all the way to the bottom. Then I grab the next piece. Actually, that's part of that piece. Sometimes I'll go over it twice, depending on how fuzzy it is. These bottom pieces are usually pretty easy to do one time. All right, now I take all this over to this side, and then I take this out, and I let it fall, and then I take one more piece off the top that I saved for last. And then I take this and I hold on to it. I think I got it all. And then I just drop that back there, split this in half and pull it forward. And I'm not doing it as good as it could be, you know what I mean? It's like, if you go over it twice, you get a lot straighter, but it gets a lot hotter too. I don't know what's going on with this one. Whoa. That's better. Sometimes I'll just go over the bottom again. All right, now for the top part. Actually, I need to go back and do this right here. I can feel that it's got lumps in it. And it happens that way sometimes when I'm not getting that close to the scalp. But I don't really care on the bottom because it's going to be covered. Alright, so then for this part I do the same thing I did before. Pull it to the side. Take this off. And this is where I let it part where it wants to, pretty much, which is off center. And then I split it right there. And I pull it around front, and then I put this back. And do the same thing. Only this time, I try to take smaller pieces and get closer to the roots because it's the top layer. And there we have it. Not perfectly straight, but I didn't want to put that much heat on it. Straighter than it was, though. Much straighter than it was. So that's it. That's how I do it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!